Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to trade futures on Bybit. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to trade futures on Bybit, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Bybit application, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is simply tap on the option assets on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're inside your assets, here you'll be getting an option that says transfer. Simply select that, and then once you're inside there, you'll be getting an option that says from funding. Simply select that and select derivatives wallet, and once that's done, select USDT and amount, and once that's done, simply tap on confirm, and that's basically how you can do it. Now if you want to open the future trading page, simply tap on the derivatives like USDT and then choose a trading pair from BTC or USDT, and then USDT perpetual contracts are best for beginners and you can trade using stablecoin. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.